Cam Troops, aka Kamal Squad. You already know who it is. It's me, Cameron Amani, coming back to you guys with another YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up before it even starts, and be sure to drop it down in the comment section below if you have any more videos you'd like for me to do. And in today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your printer ink to your Canon printer. Yeah, so today we're only going to be doing black. I can show you guys the color. I actually changed the color, and then I thought, oh my god, why did I do a video? So I don't have my ring light. It might be kind of dark. Let's get right into the video. It's low on black ink. I just changed the color, so it says black ink. It'll light up orange and kind of, yeah. And what the hazard light was on, but it's not. So this is how you do it. I like to turn my printer off, which will just hold the printer up here. This is the making and model. It is a TS3122. I like to turn it off just because I just do. It'll go off eventually. But up under here, there's a little latch. Let me get a little bit closer. Up under here, there's a little latch. You pull it down. Right? Actually, you need to turn your printer on so you can stop it. So turn the printer on. When it gets to the middle, you'll hit this red button right here. And it'll stop your ink right in the middle or where you need it to stop. Right there. Alright, so now it stopped. Sometimes you have to hit stop OK to make it stop. That's how it stopped. So right here I have my color box, which it comes in a regular box as well. My color is 246. You can also do a 244. I've been switching it lately because it depends on what the store have. And my black ink is a 245, and I've always just been sticking with 245. So I'm not gonna take this one out because I don't want to, but to view it, it's about to actually fall off the table. To take it out, you'll just, when it's up there, you just pull it down, and then you'll pull back, and it'll come right off. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like when you take it completely. Here's what it looks like when both of the cartridges are out. But to put it in there, you'll slide it, and you put it up straight, and it'll slide right on there. It takes a little bit of time, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this on there. So I'm gonna have the black ink taken off. I like to leave it in the printer before I open the box because you don't want the ink to get everywhere. It's not necessarily gonna spill, but you just don't want to take any chances because that's what the box says. So let me sit my camera down so I can show you guys what comes. Guys, I've already taken it out the box, but this is the package it come in. It's gonna be a little orange strip on it. You'll pull it off of it at the bottom, and this is what it looks like. Do not get it confused with the old one. So what you want to do is take the old one, put it into your packaging, close it, put it back in the box, and throw it away because you don't want that to spill anywhere or get on nothing. Then you take the new one, and you'll put it right back in place. Now, this is the most difficult part. I still have problems with it to this day. And so what you do is you push down, slide it in, and push it up. So I'm going to show you guys once I take it off, push down, take it out. Putting it in, slide in, push up. You get it? And it also tells you how to do it right here, but that is how you change the ink to your printer. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. And yeah, see you guys in my next YouTube video.